getting by one day at a time. My challenges and trials grow. So, a new mountain I must climb and battle through the endless road. Every day struggles in you, life unique in an epic style. Sleepless nights turn my brain to stew, yet I find a reason to smile. Whilst I face challenges galore, sleepless nights through storms untamed. I do so with my love proclaimed. Together we overcome strife. Together we tackle this